Welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh. I wanted to go over a Sea Ray 210 SPX with you guys. Come on in, check it out. Walking across the swim platform there through the port side entry. Watch your head as you climb in underneath the sports tower with Bimini. Come on into the spacious cockpit. We've got 2 captain's chairs with flip-up bolsters. We've got the Go 5 Simrad on the dash. Also the traditional gauges as well. We've got a Fusion stereo on this model, upgraded with a subwoofer. Infinity flooring, spacious bow. We order this boat also with a full mooring cover, so you can protect it when you're not out on the lake having fun. Come on into MarineMax, check us out. We're right here on I-35 in Louisville, or you can see us on the internet at www.marinemax.com. Thank you.